Okay, so we pretty much covered the ambiguous case. I just have to finish. I just have to consolidate with you before I let you go. Okay, so this was that last scenario we just looked at where we actually had two different measurements for C. So we found out that C could have been an obtuse angle of 127, or it could have been an acute angle of 53. So both of those cases were valid, and you'll see both of them have the given measurements. Okay, they had little a being 10, little a is 10, little a is 10. They have little c is 16, little c is 16, little c is 16, and they have big A is 30. So big A being across from little a is 30. Big A being across from little a is 30. So both of these triangles have the given measurement. What? Which one is the one that they mean? I don't know. So it depends on if you're given a picture, then you can decide, okay, so is it 127 or is it 53? Well, if you're given this picture, then it has to be 53. And if you're given this picture, then it has to be 127. So it depends if you're given the picture or not. Okay, so that whole thing where we don't know which triangle it is, but two are possible, that's what we call the ambiguous case. So we're not sure which one is meant. Okay, so when is it that we have to worry about the ambiguous case again? Well, hopefully you remember this from yesterday. That happens, we have to consider its possibility whenever we're given SSA, meaning side, side, angle. Okay, so it's not the same thing as side angle side, where you have the angle between the two sides, but two angles that are next to each other and then another angle that is not between them. Okay, so anytime you're given SSA, it's easy to remember because if you read that backwards, then it will remind you why some people lovingly call it the donkey theorem. Um, and that's the donkey situation is when you have to worry about the ambiguous case happening. Okay, so that's it. That's the ambiguous case. So I want you to try box 2 for homework tonight, and we're going to go over this a little bit tomorrow, but I'm not going to teach this whole lesson all over again. So try the homework right now, talk to each other, work together, and do your homework tonight, and then we'll talk tomorrow. You have a quiz on Monday. Okay, see you guys.